How to add raindrops over a static image in DaVinci Resolve. Find a video of raindrops over a black background. In the Merge node, find the Apply mode and select the Screen option. Add a Transform node so you can have control over the size and rotation of the raindrops layer. Duplicate the same layer until you cover the whole face. You can flip some of the raindrop layers horizontally to break the repetition. Have in mind things that are closer or far away from the camera and resize them accordingly. Now here is the important part. If you don't have a flat surface, like in this situation, a good tool to use is the Gridwarp node. The default state is way too detailed, so in most situations you might want to reduce the grid size. Let's mask out the corners of the raindrop videos by adding an eclipse mask. Play around with the soft edge and border width. Adding a blur node on the shoulder layer will make the raindrops look out of focus, which will help sell the illusion. Add some masks over the eyes and mouth to cut out unwanted raindrops. At the end, merge the static image under the masks by finding the operator in the Merge node and select Under. Go back to the Edit page and add some rain animation. Here, as a bonus, I wanted to add some reflection in her eyes. A fast and dirty way is to use the cropping option. Copy this layer and paste it for the other eye. At the end, if you want to add something else or do some color corrections, go for it and have some fun.